A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Lincoln County until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and extreme damaging winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lincoln, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Beverly. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across Lincoln County. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for the warned area. However, tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.